So these fun suns are so simple to make. All you need is a dotting tool and yellow acrylic paint, obviously a rock if you're painting on a rock. Start by loading up your dotting tool and start creating a larger circle in the center of your rock. You can play around with whatever size center circle you want for this design. It really doesn't matter. Now, while I'm filling this in, I just want to talk about the process we're going to use for this sun. It's called walking dots. It's something you can do with dotting tools. Now, if you don't have dotting tools, you can find something around the house to use to do this as well. A bobby pin unfolded has a nice little ball at the tip of it you can use. Some people will use nails. You can put a sewing pin style in an end of an eraser. Literally so many things around the house you can use to make your own dotting tool. But the process of the walking dots is really fun, and it's really beginner friendly, and it also helps you get a little comfortable using your dotting tools without doing a really crazy like mandala style rock. As you see, I'm just turning my rock, just trying to get the edge as good as possible. I'm not going to be too critical on this. If you really want a perfect circle, you could trace a circle on your rock to fill in. Now we're going to start our walking dots. So I'm going to load up my dotting tool, and we're just going to dot, walking away from the center. And as you see, you'll have less and less paint at each dot. So I like to go across from my first dot, and then we're going to break those two dots in half. And we're going to walk them on both sides. And then I put one in between these. It really depends on the size of your circle as how many rays you'll have coming off of your sun, but just do whatever you want. It's going to look really cool no matter how many rays you have. I just like splitting the space in half. It just helps keep them slightly even. Now this stone is long and skinny, so you can play around with that. I also did one with the sun in the middle, and then I also did another design with the sun in the corner where you can write a kindness phrase if you would like to add it, like shine bright. Now you can go back over your dots if you kind of want them to be bigger. I did that in just a couple spots here to touch up at the end, but other than that, this is finished. I popped the bubble there in the middle real quick, and I just love how they turned out, and you saw they were just so simple to do. I hope you give this one a try. Let us know in the comments below what you think about these rocks. Bye-bye.